Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how you can upload on a shared Google Drive. So for example, you have a file from any Google workspace, click file and then click move. So if it's in your main drive, you just click back until you arrive here and go to shared with me. So just look for the folder where you want to move your file under share with me, or the ones that is shared with you, a folder that is shared with you, and that click that and click move here. Another way is to go to your main drive and then go to shared with me and look for the folder where that is shared with you, and then from here you will see this plus new, click that and then file upload. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.